Hi, this is Dr. Deborah Fernandez Turner, Acting Chief Psychiatric Officer of CVS Health and Aetna. We've all been through a lot over the last few years. The stressors have been significant, and close to 60% of people have noticed new or worsening mental health challenges. If you haven't been feeling quite like yourself lately, there are many things that you can do starting today to help support your mental well being. And they don't have to be big steps. Small steps can make a really big difference. Let's talk about a few things that you can start today to positively impact your mental well being. First of all, prioritize you. Take time for yourself away from work, away from family demands, just for you. Maybe you could journal, read an uplifting book, talk to a friend who makes you laugh. Even take 10-minute micro break during your day can make a huge impact. Next, pay attention to the things that you bring into your body and into your brain. Try, for example, to increase the amount of color in your meals by adding fruits and vegetables. Make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day. Also, notice the things that you're bringing into your thoughts. Pay attention to what you read and how often. It's important to stay informed, but limiting the amount of time you spend reading the news or on social media will also have a positive impact. Next, think about your movement and how much sunshine you're getting every day. Try moving even for 5 minutes a day, especially if you take those 5 minutes to be truly present outdoors, noticing the beauty that's all around you. Next, think about your sleep. We know from study after study that sleep is absolutely vital to your brain health. And last, connections. Do you spend time every day making connections with those people and communities that help you feel replenished? Make a plan to build those connections each and every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. For example, maybe setting up a 5-minute phone call with your friend. Put it on your calendar and make sure it happens as an absolute priority. Fine-tuning your daily habits is a great way to start your mental well-being journey today. But know that resources and help is available. Be proactive and reach out to the supports that can help you. I always like to say that perfection is the enemy of progress. So start small and celebrate each and every win. And then connect to the resources that are there to help you. Have a great day.